Gazanfar with the first ball. Nice and full.
Almost gets the wicket. Oh, in fact, he has. That has disturbed Timber.
That was a flicker by Gazanfar. I don't think Zazai picked the length on neither. Winding up for the big shot, but length wasn't there. And the perfect fast bowler's delivery, as they say, hit the top of the off stump. Nicely done. And the lengthy balls is impressive. Misfield at extra cover, should be easy couple of runs to open the accounts for the Tigers as well as Rahmat Shah.
And also produced gem of an innings many a time when the team required it the most. And wonderful at building partnerships as well. This would be 2 runs. Zubaid's off the mark. He's in fact going for the third. You don't see 3 in this ground, especially because of the dimensions.
Swings across, no square leg, finishes off the second over with a boundary. It's a good shot by Zubaid Akbari. It's 13 for 1 after 2. Close, that has to be out. That looks straight. That is adjacent. I thought Rahmat Shah misread the line more than the length. In my opinion, it doesn't get any plumber than this. Pitching middle, missing leg, missing off, hitting middle again. He thanks the Almighty with that wicket. Picks up his second in this innings. Oh, absolutely a peach. Beaten all ends up. Shot. Oh, on the up. That's a classical extra cover drive on the up by Zubaid Akbari. Just like that again, through the gap. The extra cover fielder thought of a dive. He lets it go. And it goes past the boundary. Again, nice link for Atal, who sprinted across. Back-to-back boundaries for Zubaid through extra cover. Beauty, even better. That is excellent. 3 boundaries on the trot to end the 4th over. 27 for 2.
Swings around and the ball has been swiveled across the line for 4 runs.
Well, we know Darvesh Rasuli is a good batter and especially good against spinner.
But they couldn't finish the game.
I think that match against the Messianic Knights, what an effort that. Nangyal Kharote will keep entertaining you. You are not going to have the ball go past him if he is patrolling the boundary.
Had they won that game and had Daulat Zadran stuck to... Wow, what a shot! What a shot from Zubaid Akbari. Straight into the stands for 6 runs.
That one remarkable innings of Najibullah Zadran, 97, will remind you that Spingar Tiger can bounce back. Now in the same sort of a situation, if they can win matches with big margin, provided they win, they can give themselves a chance. Zubaid Akbari, certainly...
Yesterday. Not yesterday, but actually today's game. Wow, there's been a fumble in the field and the ball races away to yet another boundary. Runs are coming thick and fast now for the Spingar Tigers.